Hey planner friends, have you ever bought a teacher planner and thought, this one is perfect for me? Well, if you have, lucky for you, because I have never found one that works with my unique schedule, with the type of teacher I am. So today we're making our own. Let's get started. So we're going to be using Canva. Now, I am using the free version of Canva, and there's so much you can do with the free version. Obviously, there's also, if you're a teacher, you can sign up for an education version. You can also pay to have different levels in your Canva experience. But for today, we are just using the free because that's what I use all of the time. So I opened just a blank planner kind of template. I'm labeling it Teacher Planner 23-24 just so that I remember what this is. Now you can go in and they already have a ton of templates that you could use. Some of them will tell you that they're for the pro plan or you need to pay for it, but there's plenty that are free. But I already have some ideas. So today we're going to be taking a look at how my month is going to work itself out. I'm going back to some of my bullet journaling days. So I'm going to add a heading, and this is where my month is going to go. And then instead of putting a normal, like, blocked out calendar, I'm just going to list it. And again, this goes back to my bullet journaling day. So I'm going to list the numbers 1 through 30 or 1 through 31, depending on the month. And I'm also going to give myself a little space to write. Next, we're going to make sure that, like I said, there's space to write, but also what day of the week it is. When I put in the days of the week, I don't worry about how to differentiate between Tuesday and Thursday because Wednesday's in between it all of the time. Same with Saturday and Sunday. Especially in my teacher planner, I'm not super concerned about Saturday and Sunday unless there's some sort of school event that I need to, get to. Now, I'm not going to lie, I did have to mess around with how I was going to make those lines, and it does take some finagling, but it's okay. Once you have it done once, it's going to be so much easier to get done in the later months. But that's the other nice thing about Canva too. If I find that something about this layout doesn't work for me, I'm not stuck with it for the whole year. I'm only going to print it out for August and September, and then from there, any tweaking I can make work for me. Now, just playing with the font size, just to make sure I've got it exactly kind of the size and spacing I want. Because this is going to be punched. I am going to be using my Happy Planner punch or my art punch. So this will be disc bound. Now, you might be wondering, am I going to be decorating this planner? Yes, I still plan on decorating this planner. I still plan on showing you how to do that. But I still also want to make it kind of fun to begin with. So this is where we get to play with the fonts. Now again, just like other things on Canva, in the free version, there's some free fonts. And then there's other fonts that you're going to have to pay for or are part of their other tiers of membership. I'm a big fan of Poppins, but I'm also a big fan of Oswald. towards the bottom, since I have a little bit of space, we're just going to make it a little note box. This is again where on months I want to, I can just put some stickers there. It gives me perfect decorating space. Or if I actually do need it for notes, it's right there ready to go. So on the back of my monthly view, I really just want to have a spot where I can take notes. So I searched through Canva's different graphics they have, and I found this graph paper, and I'm just going to make it a little more gray, not so dark, so that it's nice and easy, it's just a nice background image for me to take some notes on. Or if I need to plan out something with a drawing, it's there ready for me to go. So there you have it. There is August, and then the back page of August. And then very simply, all I have to do is click duplicate page. It'll make the exact same month. I can move it where I want in my project, and then I can just relabel it. So now I have September. Clearly I have to redo the days of the week, but I already have the listing of the numbers down. I don't have to worry about what number came first. So if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Come back next time for when I show you how I'm going to make my weekly and daily layout, because that's where, for me as a specials teacher, I can have a lot of fun with this planning. I'll see you in the next one.